Hey guys, so I've got some screens of Motherwort drying here that I just cut up today, and yeah, I just wanted to show you. This is a really nice plant. It's spiky, so you have to be careful. And I have the aerial parts all just cut up here on 2 screens, which I need to lay out better so they can both be getting air. And yeah, this is a great herb for your if you have stress or anxiety, and to boost your mood. And it's a mothering herb, so if you need mothering, or it's comforting, and it has, yeah, you can look it up, it has more other qualities too. But yeah, I'm excited to have this dried and on hand for some tinctures later on. And actually, we can go look at the whole plant too in the garden. Okay, so we are gonna go look at the motherwort, but I just wanted to do a quick video of inside the greenhouse here because I wanted to get a video of the banana peppers because they look so awesome, and I think they're gonna be ready to harvest pretty soon, and I want to show how well they're doing. They're still somewhat green. Supposedly you should harvest them when they are a pale yellow. There's more and more. So I keep looking, and I'm thinking by the end of the week they'll be ready. And behind, oh, it was a cat. Jeez. And behind them we do have some tomatoes growing. These are the ox heart tomatoes. Okay, and here's like a long view. I do need to come in and once again prune and tie up the tomatoes. I've already done that twice. And then the cucumbers, I am going to prune these because I'm trying to get them to grow up these pieces of twine. We have a couple cherry tomatoes there. Over here we have some dill. This is some Thai basil seedlings that someone gave Levi at the little market that we were just at. And then, so this side also has banana peppers. Down here you can see that are doing really, really well. And in behind here are the mini watermelons. So they're blossoming quite a bit, but haven't seen any actually, yeah, I can see some little fruits just starting, like right there, I guess. Anyway, so that's exciting, and we have our one giant red leaf lettuce here. Delicious looking. So here is the live plant motherwort. It has these prickles and small pink flowers on it. It's branching out from one Maine stem here. And this is something that was just growing here along the edge of the garden. And my neighbor told me what it was and showed me because she had some, and so I was able to identify it, and I left it alone so that it could grow and I could harvest it. So wherever you are, you might have this growing along the edge of your garden or somewhere else that you may not know about. Alright, here's our Hopi black sunflower plant. We have cosmos there, zinnias. The madder is like going crazy and it's really filling the area over there. The walking onions are also really crowding the area. And we had some nasturtiums come up here. So, and then also this sunflower here volunteered, which is kind of funny because the other one's at the head of that row. And then we do have some other flowers that I can't remember the name of there, and sunflowers and weeds. So this is where we first walk into the garden, and the kids have planted a bunch of tomato volunteer seedlings all along here, and they even did this without even my asking or them asking me. So I was really excited though, because I was actually hoping to grow something along here, and they're looking great. They'll have to just be, I think, tied up to this fence and then pruned some as well. Go. Action.
Begin.
Oh, hi Snowflake. So we got this whole entire tote full of plantain, whole plants just pulled out of the ground with the dirt shaken off. And this was also in the garden, in some of the pathways and in the beds. So we brought this whole tote down here. It's going to go under this hutch to keep it dry and we can feed them. Plantain is great for the bunnies. At the jungle. This is our catnip field. I see her. What's she doing? There's also now a literal balance beam to check for eggs that one must cross now that the children set up. So that's fun, because it's very mucky here. There they are. Good night. There's the rooster. There's the hens. Good night.
Now he's like one of those dogs. He looks like exactly like one of those dogs that have hair all over their eyes. Doesn't he? He's so cute. You said it was too dark in here to do a video.
Well, it seems to be.
I'm sorry, but it's getting...
Oh. It is dusk in here.
Dusk.
And out there. Like the light is low. Alright. Bye, Winston.
Press pause. Was that in the video?
So I think I'm going to be able to hang one more cage right here. And I actually decided not to breed Dahlia again this year, just based on having enough space and enough time to care for all the bunnies, just in case none of them sold. So I think next year we may breed some of the does from her litter, or possibly her again, since she was such a good mother. I have that nesting box right there. I think I'm going to have to put that somewhere so it'll stay dry over the winter.
probably
So here's the cage I'm gonna try to hang. It does have a drip pan as well, and I think it should work out. So back here we added these tiger lilies from over by the road, and then Nathan took this pile of rocks that was already out here. Hey, please don't yell.
Yeah, I know.
And made a rock wall along here, which is nice. It looks a little more organized, and it's gonna be, I think, nice to have this here. And I think we'll probably get some fill, like clean, like compost type stuff eventually to fill in this area, and then add some more probably perennial type plants in there that will spread along this bank.
But we already went.
Oh, they're getting big. Oh, that was a big one. So we've been carrying the ducks in and out of their pen in the day in these 2 buckets. And they're like rainbow big for this too. Oh. One more. Alright. Ready? Let's go.
Who's gonna?
Shall I carry them? Yeah.
Right outside.
Yeah. Be careful though.
Mom, keep on doing the camera.
Okay.
Mom, stay that. Mom, stay that camera on. Stay it. I found this button in the bathroom, and I put the fish in it.
Perfect.
And it fits perfectly.
Perfect.
You see?
All right.